Hey guys, today I'm here and I'm going to do a quick review on the new e.l.f. Camo 16-Hour Concealer. Here's what it looks like here. I did get mine in the shade Fair Rose. I'm going to make this really quick. This is the latest shade that they do have. If you do want to buy this, you have to get it on Ulta's online website because they do not sell this shade in stores. Do not know why, but they don't. I'll say it's a fairly good selection of shades. Hopefully they will add on to it. I think that'll be great. But guys, this concealer is amazing. It doesn't crease. I've yet to find a foundation that it does not work with. It works with every single foundation. I've not had an issue. The color I absolutely love. If you're super fair like me, this is a great concealer. At first when you put it on, it seems like it's going to be a little yellow, but once you blend it out for some reason, it really brightens and whitens. Couldn't tell you why, but it definitely does. I love it. It's so full coverage. It looks so good. It mixes so well, and it just blends so nice. All around, I give this 2 thumbs up. It's only $5. $5. Great deal. You get a lot of product. It's a good applicator too. You get a nice big dome foot applicator. I highly recommend giving this a chance. I think you guys will really love it. So that is my review for this. I absolutely love it. I think you guys will too. As long as you can find a shade that you like, I think you'll definitely love it. But all around, I give this 2 thumbs up. It's honestly just fantastic. I've loved it. I cannot put it down. I'm definitely going to buy another one of these for $5. I think it's absolutely fantastic. So if you get the chance, definitely check this out. I think you guys will love it. Alright, thanks guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, thanks. Bye.